Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Facebook login for mobile apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred development environment. Start a new project or open an existing mobile app project. Ensure that you have the Facebook SDK integrated into your app. For Android, follow the official documentation to add the SDK in your Gradle file. For iOS, use CocoaPods or manual installation to include the Facebook SDK. Next, create a Facebook app through the Facebook Developer Portal. Visit the Facebook Developer site and log in with your Facebook account. Click on Create App and choose the appropriate type for your mobile application. Fill in the required fields, such as app name and contact email. Once your app is created, navigate to the Settings tab. In the settings, you will need to configure the OAuth redirect URLs. For Android, register the package name and the class name. For iOS, set the bundle identifier and provide the App Store ID. Next, go to the Facebook Login Product section in your app dashboard. Enable Facebook Login by clicking on the toggle switch. Now, add the necessary permissions your app will require, such as email and public_profile. After setting the permissions, go back to your development environment. In your app, initialize the Facebook SDK. For Android, this involves adding initialization code in your application class. For iOS, ensure you configure the SDK in your app delegate file. Next, implement the Facebook login button in your app's UI. For Android, use the Facebook SDK's login button widget. For iOS, you can use FB login button provided by the SDK. Handle user interactions with the Facebook login button. For Android, set up an on-click listener for the button. For iOS, implement the delegate methods to manage login events. Now, write logic to handle login success and failure. On success, retrieve user data and proceed to integrate it into your app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.